My name is Cole. My company is York Durham Student Window Cleaning. I worked under my sister, who did the same thing over in King City and Nobleton, where we're from. And each summer I kind of got to learn a little bit more about how to run a successful business, keeping clients happy and keeping workers happy as well. And I just decided I really didn't want to have a boss under the same roof as me anymore. So I just decided to run my own business in the Richmond Hill Markham area this year. The investment that they make into your success financially is great for startup costs. There's a lot of different people that run their own businesses, a lot of business consultants, and a lot of other people, students like myself in the company, in the summer company program that you can rely on. So our first job was actually a pretty big job over in Richmond Hill. Trained my guys beforehand actually on my house here, how to clean windows and clean eaves troughs and do everything that we do. And it actually went pretty smoothly. Full day job, a couple $1,000s. Wearing every single hat in the business, managing people, selling work to clients, making sure that these clients are happy is a really big task that I've learned how to kind of manage throughout the summer. Basically, that commitment that they give to you as a young business owner really makes my life a whole lot easier. And I don't know where I'd be at this summer if I didn't have that. So big shout out goes out to the summer company for sure.